GPT-5 is here, OpenAI's smartest, fastest, and most capable AI yet. And the best part? You can try it right now for free. OpenAI says it's their most advanced AI yet. But let's not just take their word for it. I'll walk you through everything. What's new, how it works, and whether it actually lives up to the hype. On desktop, just head to chatgpt.com, sign in, and GPT-5 is the default model. On the free plan, you get around 30 messages a day before it switches to GPT-5 mini, so you can keep going without interruption. The router is continuously trained on real signals. On mobile, just update the Chat GPT app, start a new chat, and you're in. No settings to tweak, it just works. We have a unified model now. Before, you had to choose between multiple models like GPT-4 Turbo or O-Series reasoning models. Now GPT-5 auto-selects how deeply it thinks based on your prompt. With adaptive reasoning, quick questions get fast answers, while complex problems trigger deeper thinking. According to OpenAI, hallucinations are down about 45% compared to GPT-4 and 80% lower in thinking mode than the other models. It's far better at following instructions exactly, and sycophantic answers have dropped from nearly 15% to under 6%. GPT-5 now lets you shape its personality to match your needs. Want a skeptical questioning edge? Choose the cynic. Need cold, hard facts with zero fluff? Switch to the robot. Looking for deep dives with enthusiastic detail? Go for the nerd. Or if you just need a supportive ear, pick the listener. It's like having 4 different AI co-hosts, each with their own style. It's not just what GPT says, it's how it says it. I used the voice mode and asked, will jobs be replaced by AI?
That's a big question and a hot topic. AI will definitely change the job landscape. Some jobs might be automated, but at the same time, new jobs will emerge and there'll be a big demand for skills in AI and tech. So it's more of a shift than a total replacement.
You can now connect Gmail and Google Calendar to summarize emails, find meeting slots, and draft replies. And there is a brand new study mode. Let's see how the response is. We're going to try out, can you teach me project management using PMP principles? Right, let's have a look. So this response is much more personalized, I feel, and kind of breaks down step by step. Let's just ask the same question without being on a study mode. Okay, so it's asking me further questions, clarifying whether I have prior experience or knowledge. So here you can see the difference. One of the improvements is in the visual perception area, accurately describing complex images. Let's put it to test. I'll upload an artwork and I'll ask to analyze it. Right, the response is quite fast. It immediately recognized it as complex abstract composition. In just few lines, it has analyzed it very well. Quite impressive. Now we will test for something from their own showcase, the jumping ball runner game. I'm going to copy the exact prompt from the page and ask it to generate the code. Then I'll take that code, create an HTML file, and run it in my browser to see how it performs. I'll be surprised if this code is sufficient to create the exact same game. You see, it's an iterative process to get exactly what you want. We can see this version isn't perfect. It's a bit off. The colors and sprite, they're not the same as we had originally imagined. I would say work in progress, not a bad output. Let's wrap this up now. It's not true AGI. What it means is it can't learn or remember between conversations. It can still make mistakes, especially with very complex explanation. At the end of the day, it's still a tool, not a replacement for your own judgment. Overall, GPT-5 is a bold step forward. It surely is faster and even smarter, whether you're coding, researching, learning, or just chatting.